Hi, this is Eric, the Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the lint filter on your dryer. These instructions apply to other dryers made by Whirlpool, including Maytag, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new lint screen for your dryer, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. The dryer's lint screen slides into the lint duct and traps lint, hair, and other debris left in your pocket. A broken, damaged, or bent one can be dangerous if it isn't catching lint before it goes into the blower fan and into the dryer's vent. If the lint screen is not clean, it can impact the dryer's performance and even cause a fire. To remove the filter, open the dryer's door. The lint screen is located here. Pull up on the lint screen to remove it from the dryer. After removing the filter, inspect it to make sure that the screen is not torn or rusted. Then inspect the plastic frame of the lint filter for any cracks or damage. Over time, laundry detergent and fabric softener residue can build up on the lint screen. This buildup can cause longer drying times for your clothes or cause the dryer to stop before your load is completely dry. Whirlpool recommends cleaning the lint screen with a nylon brush every 6 months or more frequently if it becomes clogged due to residue buildup. After cleaning the filter, let it fully dry before reinstalling it. If you need to purchase a new lint screen, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dryer to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, line this tab on the filter to this slot on the dryer and set it into place. Then, close the dryer's door. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.